All right, so now we're inside this brand new 2021 Chevrolet Suburban. Of course, you got a nice look there at the dash and the gauges. And normally you, on years past, would have a column mounted shifter. So like the old school shifters where you would reach up and grab it and pull down. That's no longer the case with this new Tahoe and Suburban for 2021. Instead, you have this push button selection going on over here next to the infotainment center. So simply push park for park. If you want to do reverse, just pull back on the reverse button. That puts the vehicle in reverse. Now you'll notice that I'm pretty close to this side behind me. The vehicle, this is of course a Premier trim. Put the camera on, has a warning light, and actually the seat vibrated. So it let me know that there is an obstacle behind me. So that's for reverse. For neutral, you just push neutral. For drive, you pull back on the D button. And then when you go into low range, you just push low. And then if you want to do like shifting up and down, just do minus and plus. Pretty simple. Then as far as that low range goes, over here on the gauge cluster, you can see like the little red L3, L4, L5. So that's only if you want to do that. Let's go back to drive though. So the easiest thing to remember, it's push, pull, push, pull, push, as far as the operation of this goes. Now, some people are wondering how long does it take to get used to this? Most of our customers have said that after a week or so, it's second nature to them because it's what they're using all the time. I do want to mention though, we haven't updated or actually have refreshed 2022 and a half Chevy Silverado coming. It will not have this setup on it. Instead, it will have a little knob here in the console. So it'll differentiate the Silverado from the Suburban and the Tahoe quite a bit. But yes, this is the same setup for the Suburban and the Tahoe both for 2021 and newer. They won't be changing this for 22 when those come out, which should be pretty soon. But I just wanted to show you how that works. If you have any questions, give us a call, 304-422-6501. Check us out online, mcclintonchevy.com. And comment below if you have any questions. We love reading your comments. All right, everyone, have a great day.